Hi guys, this is Watchhobby. Today I'll be doing an unboxing. As you can see here, based on what you see on the white box, is that it is a Japanese watch. No sign whatsoever, but one thing that's interesting is the fact that instead of a typical, like a real box, this is a very flat box. What brand are we going to? Aha! Interestingly, it's a Seiko. A Seiko with a flat box. Because this is the receipt. It's a King Seiko. And this time around, Seiko, instead of giving an actual display watch box, they actually gave a wallet-like design, traveling wallet-like design. Buttons with a zip side, but here and some pockets, which in this case they're operating instructions, which no longer comes in a physical booklet but a QR code which you have to access online. There's also something else interesting in there. This is the bracelet. This is the bracelet, and when you open this flap, a spare leather strap, as you can see here. Typical standard buckle, and if you were to take it out, this particular buckle also comes with its own reference number, as you can see here. One interesting aspect about this strap from Seiko is that it comes with a quick detach lug bars, as you can see. And the final pocket, as I said, there's two pockets. The bigger one holds the watch. Anyway, follow the channel. I will do a full review on this watch. So do follow the channel, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate your support, guys. Anyway, bye bye for now.